If you shout girl online, that girl come meet you. If another boy shout that girl, she go still go meet her. You know understand? If girl dey Port Harcourt now, and you are in Delta State, if you dey invite that girl, she dey come meet you for the first time in your state. Before that girl dey come meet you, she must make sure say she get at least 2 to 3 other boys contact wey she dey in communication with, wey she wan use as backup plan before she dey accept to come meet you for your state. Now why you say you go see girl wey una dey communicate on social media, una dey chat normally, you go invite that girl, she no go gree come. Second time you go invite her, she no go gree come. But all of a sudden, maybe when your mind don even comot from that girl sef, you go just receive message from the girl, dey say, Geh Geh, I'm in Delta State too, are you in worry? I wan come your side. You go dey imagine say, no be this same girl wey be say I dey cry, dey beg make she come, she no gree come. All of a sudden, only she wan come meet you. Wetin happen for that situation be say she don go see another boy. Maybe wetin she expect for there, not be wetin she meet for there. Now she wan come use you as backup plan, or she don go meet that boy don wire her better doggy, still give her small thing. She wan come still come your side, you go still give her doggy, collect small thing. She go still go meet at least 2 to 3 other boys for the state like that, gather money, go back to her state. That's what many of them do. Real life, I will tell you experience. You know that's the recently one guy come meet me. The guy come meet me for here. This one never even say. Get one that they cry, they beg, I beg, even a small time, even at once I give you this thing. This guy not gree, he not gree come. All of a sudden I just dey on my own one day. I dey even invest my own self. You know to say, Geh Geh, I'm in worry. Where are you? I want to go. Where is your place? I was like, say, shey na you are the test. This may you come, you not gree come. Now when you get all that important things what you want to do for the state, you come. You want to use me as backup plan and be carry your tutu. We don't make me come up for you. Get away. When one boy don't rough handle your tutu. When one boy don't rough handle your tutu, you want to carry that tutu. We don't make him. Call give me. Abi, na me fit. Na me fit to carry tutu. We don't make me. Na me fit to dey carry stick on how to do they go give, because I not deserve fresh tutu for my life. Carry this stick come up for here. I get all that sweet girls who they beg me for my DM. And now because of this your tutu, to hell with you and this your tutu, you know understand. Now I tell her she not agree come. Then make I tell you what experience we confirm this thing when I tell you now. Say if any girl where you shout online, this thing you feel that time, we come meet you. Any girl where you talk to on social media on a chat, she come meet you. If another boy shout her, she will still go meet that boy. This one don't reach like many years when I want to tell you now. I dey chat this girl on Facebook. So one day my guy, my friend, na Popori, not even make I know it. I also know my artist Popori, because Popori is my good friend, right from my childhood friend, even before record label and artist stuff they involved. You know that. So when he come my side, I dey with the chat the girl. So I got discover say the same girl when I dey chat, in the chat the girl too. So now me can invite the girl. In the city, they invite the girl they agree say they come meet her. The girl says even agree say that's on her Facebook. Oh, she won't come to come meet me. So when the girl come, she come ferry enter my side. So from my side now, the next day, the girl come tell me say, now why you say you as a boy you need to dey pay attention. Once girl they come your state for the first time, all of a sudden you go to hear questions like, "Is who really close to this place?" You don't know say that girl dey shout with another boy. When they probably don't sit and say Ugele, all those kind of things. Now she don't use brain, they assess you. That girl feel from your place now, they say she they go park. Make she from there now they go see that boy. Before God and man, all this is the happen. So when the girl come meet me for my place, me and this girl they finish. So the next day, come tell me say she they go ask. She they shout for Pori, they forward the shout for me. She said because I say she go, I can still give her money, transport, okay, yeah, go now. Say she they go park. From there, girl wait tell me say she they go. Now, Popori go carry go ass. Cause he shut up, carry go ass. You know understand? I go after I don't do what they want to finish. Because me and Popori know what everything we they talk, we they aware. I go go visit to let her know say all this is what they do. We know what you they do. Popori cause he invite me, come inside. I can go meet them for their side. She really tight on when they do housewife duties for that side too. After she does from my side. so what would they tell you certain things? The same way they shout that girl, which they now so that boy they see they shout that with it. Now so life just be. You know that this video they long go. Abi 2019. Girl don't come visit my friend, and my friend come visit majorly. So that time my friend they dey with me for my place. So we go pick the girl. When we go pick the girl, be like say the way the girl observe the from junction, cause she already reach our junction, so we can't go there go pick her. Be like say the way she dey expect from the boy, the guy not dey like that. For our present there, before God and man, I did the girl call another boy. Say, I mean, where do you say you are? Which means the same way she dey give this my guy hope, say she dey constant, she dey in communication with another boy like that. For our present, the guy not even gree follow my guy go. From there, she reverse, go back, go meet that other boy. That one not even hide on a Benin girl. From Benin, she come to that state. So any girl where you dey communicate with on social media, the possibility and the chance say that girl see they talk with another boy from that same state, who be say she want use as backup plan. So you as a boy, you have to be very careful. Not be say some kind random girls maybe get where you dey talk to normally before. Get where you dey talk to normally before. You invite her, she not gree come. All of a sudden, I'm in your state. I dey your town. Where you dey? I won't come your side. That girl will use you as backup plan and not give her that opportunity. Not be only that to today. You know that if you want miss that one, make you miss, make she go. Make her to don't make me. When I get go, when I go make one boy, and that boy don't rough, I don't do to finish, don't make me. Now you don't go carry that. So you're only good for some to do. So we're not suffer. And I won't carry for you. So not agree. Let her go. You know that. So I want to have first hand experiences. Maybe in my next video I go tell that the reason. Get why you know many things about women like this, bro. I get real life experiences. What happen to me or what happen to close person. This video before I been want to make this video 5 reasons. I been want to give 5 reasons or 5 ways to get girls for free. I get woman for free. You're not going to spend money like that. Maybe in my next video, because this video already past 7 minutes. So if I want to talk that one journal now, it go too long. You know, but if you watch this video to this level, write my name in capital letter. Any man will carry your girlfriend from you, and I favor that person do you. Any boy or man will take your girlfriend from you, now favor that person do you, because that girl not do anything for you. And for the first say that person collect your girlfriend from you, now sign say that girl was never meant for you. So make the girl they go. I need to tell you don't make me. Because before they will carry that girl away from you, say you that's not make me for you.
And remember, like and subscribe. Smash that button now.